Hello and welcome again to Chris's Caribbean Delights. I'm back with another awesome recipe that will enhance the health and the well-being of all my fans out there. Thank you for watching my videos and thank you for subscribing, and we can only go up from here. There are lots of other recipes that I would like to that I will be sharing with you, and we'll just keep it coming. And I just want you to keep watching. Tell your friends, subscribe, like, and share, and tell your friends about this wonderful channel that gives you a lot of ideas and a lot of recipes and a lot of wellness tips. So today we're going to do a turmeric paste, and a turmeric paste could be used in your golden milk for a nightcap, or you can use it in soups, drinks, lattes. But we're going to do a turmeric paste today that we can use in a variety of other recipes. So here we go. So the ingredients, we're going to be grinding our turmeric and ginger and adding our other ingredients, and then we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. And here we go. Here is the ingredients we'll need. We'll need some ginger. I may not use all of this ginger because I'll also make some ginger juice later. Turmeric, I need a cup of turmeric and I need half a cup of ginger juice. I'll put some coconut oil in there once we're going to start cooking it, and some black pepper and some cinnamon, and I now have a cup of water there in case I need to get the food processor moving. Now I'll cut my ginger and the turmeric in a little smaller pieces, and then we'll start processing. So we have some ginger in there. We'll start processing this, and I need half a cup of ginger. And I think we have a good grated chopped consistency here. Because remember, we're going to be cooking this out also. I think that's good enough for ginger. Now we'll go with the turmeric. I'll cut these in little smaller pieces also. And turmeric stains very easily, as you can see my hands. That's why I'm wearing gloves. It stains pretty easily, so get you some gloves if you're going to try this recipe out, and use a stainless steel saucepan when you're going to cook it. So right now we're going to put this the rest of the turmeric in there and get it going, and we'll add the other ingredients and move to the fire. I shake it to help it along, so I think we're good here. I think we're good. So we'll just pour this out into a container here. Right on top of the ginger. They're all going into the same place. So. And you have an option of sweetening it or not sweetening it. If you want to use it in soups and other savory things, you can just put limited amount of sugar in there, or none at all. But I mean, you can use honey or you can use maple syrup, and then you can also leave it without any sweetener. And so when you're ready to use it, you can add whatever sweetener you need to add to it. So right now we're going to get our stainless steel saucepan, and we'll put the other ingredients together and put it in there and get it on the fire. And here in our pot we're going to add our turmeric. Water, 1 cup of water. You may need more. I put a cup and a half of water because I seem to have a little excess on the turmeric and ginger there. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. 2 teaspoons of freshly ground black pepper. And this is going to be a little, there we go. Okay, about 20. One tablespoon of coconut oil. Put that in there. Give this a little stir. And I'll now get this on the fire. And we'll bring this mixture to a boil, which will take maybe about 3 or 4 minutes. And once it starts boiling, you have to continuously stir until it becomes a paste, and that's what you want. If you think you need to add more water, if it's getting too thick, you'll add a little bit of water. But for right now, we'll wait until it gets to boiling, and we'll be back. Okay guys, it's now in a rapid boil. And we're going to occasionally stir. And we're still boiling, and our consistency is not there yet. We have to let most of this liquid out, evaporate, and the turmeric and the ginger are going to be soft, and it's going to turn into a paste eventually. Now, and this, once you have this paste, you can also use it in a salad dressing. You can add some olive oil, lemon, and Dijon mustard, and make a salad dressing. You can add it into soups, or you can turn it into a turmeric latte. You can make a turmeric latte. Use it on veggie. You can use it on veggies. You can use it in a curry. It's like a curry enhancer. Enhances the color of the curry. Oh, there's so many uses that you can put this to. So we'll be back once it's thickened and becoming the paste. Okay guys, here's where we are. For the amount I was doing, it was taking a little long to get soft. So I think I had to use the immersion blender, the handheld blender, and I put it in there, and I just had to crush it up a little more to a puree kind of, and then I allow the fire. Now it's going to do the evaporation, and we'll see the results. So if you're going to do a large batch, as I am trying to do here, you can probably put the water, the ginger, and the turmeric into a blender, get it to a pureed consistency, and then put it in the pot, and you boil it until it thickens and gets to the pasty consistency. So once this gets to a paste, we'll be back. Okay guys, at this point we need to be very careful. It's popping all over the place, and it's becoming thick. So I'll now turn the stove off. It's in very low heat. I will turn it off and just let it do its thing and dry out. See, it has come to a very thick pasty consistency here. And once it's cold, when it's colder, it's going to be thicker. So this is what you're looking for. A thick, pasty consistency. And with the heat, I'll just keep stirring, and with the residual heat, more of the liquid is going to evaporate, and it will even get thicker. And when it gets cold, it's going to be thicker. So once it's cooler, I'll show you the final product, and we'll start using our turmeric paste. So this is a turmeric paste that could be used in soups, lattes, with veggies. You can use it in curries. You can use it in a lot of other things. It's turmeric, ginger, a little bit of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt and some black pepper, and that's it. And a coconut oil, a tablespoon of coconut oil, and you have it all in there. You blend it all together, cook it all together. Once it gets to this consistency, you'll take it off and you let it cool. So we'll be back when it's cooler and at a thicker consistency. And here guys, I have prepared a cup of golden milk to show you one of the uses, and I added some extra cinnamon in there, and this can be a very nice nightcap before you go to bed. You just add a tablespoon of turmeric paste in your hot milk and you're good to go. All you might need is some turmeric cookies. Just joking. So like, share, subscribe, and I hope you will try this. Try making this turmeric paste, and it's wonderful. It's good for the body. It's you know the uses of turmeric. So so be well, everybody, and thank you for watching.